Welcome back to our EVS class. I hope you all are good and doing your work properly. So students, as you all know, we had started with the chapter number 12, that is houses we make, right? So today we will continue that chapter and I will give the recap of that what we done yesterday. So what is the password of the day? Password of the day is temporary. Temporary is like just which is not permanent, right? Which is not permanent, which just remains for the very short time, which lasts for the very short time, that is known as temporary. And what is permanent now? Permanent means which lasts for the long time, and temporary which lasts for the very short time. So what is the spelling of temporary? Temporary, temporary. Now we are starting our chapter. So what we had done yesterday in the last session, I told you about the some houses. Like in many years ago, there was no houses. Like only man used to live in the caves or on trees. Then they learned how to make the house. So why houses are important for us? Just because houses keeps us safe, right? Houses protect us from cold, rain, heat, and from the animals, from the thieves, right? So in सबसे हमें कौन बचाता है? Houses. So we need house to live. We cannot live without house. So this was about the house. Then I told you about the two types of houses. I told you about the kacha house and pakka house. So what is kacha house? Kacha house is a house which is mostly found in the villages firstly, and it is made up of straw and wood, and you can say gunny bags, leaves. These things are used to make the kacha house. Then it's mostly found in the villages, as I told you, and these are not permanent houses. These are the temporary houses, and we can say temporary. We need repair time to time for this house. Then move on to the pakka house. What is pakka house? Pakka house is a house which mostly found in the cities, and it is made up of iron, cement, bricks, wood, glass, iron. So these things we are using to making our house. Like our houses are mostly pakka houses, and also there are some pakka houses like bungalow. Bungalow is a very big house. Bungalow में क्या होता है? Swimming pool भी होता है, and some very big lawns are there. So very big house is known as bungalow. And I told you about the multi-story building. Story means floor. Multi-story means so many floors in a single building, and each floor is known as flat or apartment. That building is known as multi-story building. Okay, in very big cities you can see there are lots of multi-story buildings. Many people living in a single building. Now just we are starting with the temporary houses. As I told you in the last session, what are temporary houses? So what are temporary houses? Temporary houses are those houses which we can carry anywhere, जिनको हम कहीं भी लेकर जा सकते हैं. Those houses are known as temporary houses. I hope it is clear that what are temporary houses. Again, I am repeating, temporary houses are those houses which like that can be carried anywhere. That can be carried anywhere. Mostly those people live in the temporary houses. They don't have a very fixed place. They have to move from one place to another place in a very short time. Those people live in the temporary houses. Now I am going to tell you about each and every temporary houses. There are three types of temporary houses, that is wheel caravan, houseboat, and tents. First one is wheel caravan. Wheel caravan. What you can understand by this? Here is word wheel and car. So it is a house which is on wheels. This is a house which is on wheels, like a car. कार के अंदर ही घर बना हुआ है. Caravan means एक van है, उसके अंदर ही घर बना हुआ है. Like house on wheels, and we can take our house anywhere whenever we want. So it is about the wheel caravan, which people live in the wheel caravan mostly nomads. Nomads are the tribe people. They are nomads are the people who are just moving from one place to another place in search of food and water. So those people live in the wheel caravan. Nomads. Nomads. Okay. So this was about the wheel caravan. This is the first temporary house. Then move on to the second one. Houseboat. You can understand the meaning from the from the name also, houseboat. We are talking about boat here. So house on boat. So it is a floating house. This house is a floating house. Okay. This house is a floating house. So we can find these type of houses in Dal Lake in Kashmir. These type of houses are in Dal Lake of Kashmir. There is a lake named Dal, and it is in the Kashmir. And those houses are the floating houses. And mostly tourists visit Kashmir to enjoy the weather, to enjoy their houses, to enjoy the view of the houses, houseboats. Okay. So they stay in houseboats for many days, and they enjoy their, mostly the tourist one. Okay, so this was about the houseboat. Now move on to the third one, tents. Tents. So आप कभी कैंपिंग करने गए हैं? तो वहां पर क्या होता है? We have to live in the tent. We have to live in the tent. It is too cold in the night, and we have to live in the tents. So tents are made of the canvas cloth. There is name of cloth, that is canvas. वो कैनवस क्लॉथ से बनते हैं टेंट्स. एंड मोस्टली द माउंटेनियर्स एंड कैंपर्स जाते हैं कैंपिंग करने के लिए. दैट टाइम दे नीड द हाउसेस नेम एज टेंट. दे कैन बी इजीली फोल्डेड एंड कैरीड अलोंग. इनको आराम से हम फोल्ड कर सकते हैं और साथ लेकर जा सकते हैं. एंड दे आर वेरी इजी टू पुट अप. उनको आराम से रखा जा सकता है, जस्ट लाइक अ क्लॉथ, राइट? सो दिस वाज अबाउट द टेंट्स. Again, what are the temporary houses? Temporary houses are those houses which are not temporary, permanent, and they are for very short time. People live are mostly those people live who have to go from one place to another place in search of food, water, or for their work. So they need these type of houses: wheel caravan, houseboat, and tents. Okay, so there are two fill in the blanks given on the same page. So firstly we will do that, then I will continue the next topic. So the two fill in the blanks are: the houses made of mud, dry leaves, and bamboo are called dash. Those houses which are made up of bamboo, mud, and leaves, those are known as kacha house. So are called houses made of. So first one answer is kacha. That's it. K-A-C-H-C-H-A. Kacha. This is the spelling of kacha. K-A-C-H-C-H-A. Kacha. Houses which are made up of mud, dry leaves, bamboo. So these are the things. Straw we can say also. Then next is a wheel caravan is a house on dash. Wheel caravan, house on wheels. W-H-E-E-L-S, wheels. Okay, so this was about the fill in the blanks. Now I will be telling you about the special houses. Okay, now what are special houses? Special houses mean some houses which are built according to the weather, according to the according to their place. जो उनकी place के according बने होते हैं, those houses are known as special houses. Now I am going to tell you about the special houses. For that, just see the another board. Okay, students, so this is about the special houses. Special houses are according to their place. Now here I am talking about the igloo. Igloo is the name of a house. People live in the polar region. There is so much snow in that area, right? So they build the houses with the snow, and they live in that houses. And those houses are very like warm from inside. अंदर से गर्म होते हैं. So they build houses with the snow, and those houses are known as igloos. Those houses are known as igloos, and these type of houses are looks like this, and these are having round rooftop and very small door and very small entry door. So this is about the igloo. Now second one is stilt house. Stilt houses are those houses which are made on wooden poles. जो wooden poles पे बनते हैं. Wooden poles, I like here are some wooden poles, and on these wooden poles house will be made like this. यहाँ पर house बनाया जाएगा. Okay, on the wooden poles. So this house is mostly a house. These houses is quite high from the ground level. जो है ग्राउंड लेवल से, जैसे ग्राउंड लेवल तो ये हुआ हमारा जहाँ पर हमारा घर होता है. सो दीज हाउसेज आर हाई फ्रॉम द ground level, very high from the ground level. These type of houses are mainly in the areas that are generally flooded. जहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लड होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लड होने के चांसेस होते हैं. मोस्टली दीज हाउसेज आर फाउंड ऑन those areas flooded due to heavy rain. जब बहुत ज़्यादा रेन आ जाती है, बहुत ज़्यादा पानी आ जाता है, तो घर के अंदर पानी आए उससे बचाने के लिए they just build their houses up from the ground. Okay, so at night और यहाँ पर क्या होता है, लेडर की हेल्प से वो ऊपर जाते हैं अपने घर में with the help of ladder, and that ladder is removed in the night. वो लेडर रिमूव कर दी जाती है नाइट के टाइम. डू यू नो व्हाई? कैन यू थिंक कि लेडर को रिमूव क्यों कर दिया जाता है? जस्ट बिकॉज टू प्रिवेंट protect themselves from the enemies or from the wild animals, ताकि कोई wild animals उस ladder से चढ़ के ऊपर ना आ जाए या फिर कोई thieves ऊपर ना आ जाए. Okay, so these types of houses are made on the wooden poles, are known as stilt houses. Okay, then I am talking about the last one, that is slanting rooftops. Houses those are having slanting rooftops. So slanting. So as I told you one thing, like vertical and horizontal. Vertical is like this. Vertical shape is this on this side, and horizontal is like this. Okay, so this L. This नीचे वाली जो एरिया है, ये वाला जो डायरेक्शन होगी, this is about the horizontal and this is about the vertical direction. Okay, so one is there slanting. Slanting means which is not horizontally, not vertically, it is in between that. जो इस तरह से होगी, ये डायरेक्शन होगी, वो slanting होगी. Like these houses are mostly like have roofs like this. इस तरह की roofs होती है. So that इस तरह की roofs होती हैं ताकि mostly ये जो slanting rooftops वाले houses होते हैं, mostly you can see like in Shimla, like in Manali. So because there are heavy rain and very heavy snow, so these type of roofs mostly just allows the rainwater or the snow to fall down easily. जो easily fall down हो जाता है अगर वहाँ पर ऊपर वाटर कलेक्ट हो जाएगा. लाइक अगर मैं बात करूँ, हमारे पास नॉर्मल रूफ टॉप्स हैं जैसे हमारे घर में होती हैं. अगर ऐसी रूफ टॉप है तो ऑफ कोर्स यहाँ पर स्नो कलेक्ट हो जाएगी, स्नो मेल्ट होकर जो वाटर है वो यहीं ऊपर ही रह जाएगा. So they made the houses like this. Those are having slanting rooftops. तो अगर इस पे snowfall हो रही है, after that वो मेल्ट होकर सारी नीचे चली जाए. Okay, ऊपर कलेक्ट ना हो. So most of these houses are made of wood. ये वाले जो houses हैं mostly wood के बने होते हैं और wood पे जल्दी से melt होकर वो water के form में नीचे चला जाता है. So this was about the slanting rooftop houses. So as you all know, like us, animals, birds also need shelter. So some animals and birds build their own shelters जो अपने खुद का घर बनाते हैं, like sparrow, pigeon, cranes. These are the birds, and some are like lion and tiger. They live in the caves or den. So they live in the den. So इस तरह से कुछ animals हैं, कुछ birds हैं जो अपना घर खुद बनाते हैं, because shelter is very important for all of us. Like us, they also need shelter, because shelter protects us from many things like heat, cold, rain, and prevent us from the enemies and protect us from the thieves also. So this was about this chapter. I hope that is clear to you, and that is all for today. In the next session we will be doing bookwork and read this chapter carefully. So homework is you have to read this chapter properly. Read chapter number 12 full. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.